iCoffee. Well, as you know that there are two brands of iCoffee with us. One is iCoffee Creamer, the second is iCoffee Black. As our tagline clearly says, iCoffee controls diabetes without compromising the authentic taste of coffee. I hope you understood this statement, my dear friends. See, what you have to do here is controlling diabetes. So you are getting the taste of coffee. At the same point of time, you are getting the health benefit also. You are getting the taste of coffee. At the same point of time, you are getting the health benefit also. That is the reason why we call it as iCoffee, which is without compromising the authentic taste of coffee. Well, what is diabetes? Diabetes is nothing but high levels of blood. It is a disease, it's a disorder. Diabetes is not a disease, it is a disorder which is a combination of many diseases. High levels of blood glucose resulting from defects in insulin production, insulin action, or both. See, it's a simple thing. If I have to tell you in very simpler words, diabetes is nothing but whenever there is a disturbance in carbohydrate, fat, and protein metabolism, a person's body suffers from diabetes. This is what exactly diabetes is all about. The effects of diabetes may include long-term damage, dysfunction, and failure of various organs in the body. Very easy to understand this. It is only the disturbance in carbohydrate, fat, and protein metabolism. Well, going ahead, my friends, what are the types of diabetes? You have type 1, which is called as insulin-dependent diabetes. Type 2, which is called as non-insulin dependent diabetes. You have the pregnancy-related diabetes as well as pre-diabetes. These are the 4 types of diabetes. Along with that, if you see the left-hand corner of the screen, you can see the reasons which are listed for diabetes, mainly the insulin resistance, abnormal glucose production, genetic susceptibility, obesity, increasing age, bad diet, and pre-diabetes. These are actually some of the reasons for diabetes, and the types of diabetes are listed on the right-hand corner of the screen. Well, my dear friends, going ahead, if I have to state about describe the statistics of diabetes in India, you can clearly see on the left corner of the screen, the map of the country is marked in red color, which clearly means by the year 2040, 125 million people in India will become diabetic. And India will have to shell down a lot of money on controlling this situation. Well, my dear friends, again, if you have to see the right-hand corner of the screen, 126% growth in men, 109% growth in women. Totally, if you take an average, 128% increase in diabetes is actually seen in people across the country. This is what exactly is a very dangerous statistic that we have. But I'd like to tell you, this is a bitter truth of India, but we have a product with us which is actually having advantage for this particular problem, so that we can definitely reduce the statistics at least to 50%. This is very important for us. We cannot reduce it to 0, but definitely we can reduce it to 50% so that we are solving the problem of millions of people across the country. So this is how we have to take and promote the product ahead, my dear friends. Well, as I've told you, diabetes is not a single disease. Diabetes is actually called as a disorder. Disorder means it is a collection of diseases. Diabetes always has tiredness, frequent urination, sudden weight loss, wounds that not heal, always hungry, sexual problems, both in men and women. You have blurry vision. There are vision problems, vaginal infections in women, numbness or tingling of feet, always thirsty. This is also very important, always thirsty. Well, I would like to simply tell you 3 important points so far as diabetes disorder is concerned. 3 important points. First thing is neuropathy. Second thing is retinopathy. Third thing is nephropathy. There are 3 pathis. It's very easy to remember. There are 3 pathis in diabetes, not patniya. Only 3 pathis are there. The 3 pathis are retinopathy, which affects your eyes, nephropathy, which affects your kidneys, and neuropathy, which affects your nerves. Totally, there are 3 pathis in diabetes, which are the complications of diabetes. I hope you understood my point. It is pretty easy to remember. Only the pathis, not the patnis. Well, the most important thing in in iCoffee is the presence of an ingredient called as Salacia reticulata. We call it as salcital. Salcital is a patented ingredient which is present in iCoffee creamer or iCoffee black, which is made up of an ingredient called as Salacia reticulata. In Indian terminology, we call this as Ekanayakam or Saptaranga. Ekanayakam or Saptaranga, which is the main ingredient of iCoffee. Along with this, we have used the coffee beans which are obtained from Coorg region of Karnataka. Coorg region is considered to be the best coffee growing region in the country with 100% quality organic coffee beans. It contains 100% quality organic coffee beans which are sourced from Coorg region of Karnataka, which we are blending with Salacia reticulata, and we are making the iCoffee. So totally, my dear friends, there are 3 ingredients in iCoffee creamer or iCoffee black. So everybody needs to know this. There are 3 major ingredients in iCoffee creamer or iCoffee black. The first thing is salsitol. The second thing is coffee powder. The third thing is Mucuna prurens. We call it as cow hage. Please see the right corner of your screen. There is an ingredient which is shown with some of the seeds on it. This is called as Mucuna prurens. It is called as cow hage in English. So totally, there are 3 ingredients in iCoffee creamer and iCoffee black. Again, I would like to repeat it. First thing is salsitol. Second is coffee powder. The third is Mucuna prurens. All the 3 ingredients are very good ingredients for managing your sugar levels. These are 3 important ingredients which can efficiently manage your sugar levels. Well, going ahead, my friends, processing of iCoffee, if you see, normally what we do is we roast the iCoffee, so the coffee seeds at 40 degrees Celsius. At 40 degrees Celsius, so that the caffeine is totally destroyed in coffee beans. So iCoffee creamer or iCoffee black does not contain caffeine in it. I'm telling you again, it is devoid of caffeine, but it contains the polyphenols. Polyphenols are nothing but antioxidants which come out of the coffee beans, which is helpful for the human body, not only for the general health, but also for controlling or managing your sugar levels. I hope you understood this point. Well, going ahead, my dear friends, iCoffee is suitable for all the kinds of diabetes. It does not have any sugar. So some people have a doubt that does iCoffee contain sugar? No. How long this should be taken? As long as desired, you can consume iCoffee. But as a wellness product, it is always important to consume it at least for 3 months or 90 days for the wellness products to show its benefits in the body. Can this be taken along with other medications? Definitely yes. Can this be taken along with insulin? Definitely yes. Does this lower the sugar? No. Our product, iCoffee creamer or iCoffee black, is not like your diabetes medicine. Whenever a person is consuming a diabetic capsule or a tablet, normally the sugar level falls down. It is called as hypoglycemia. But iCoffee creamer or iCoffee black will not cause any kind of hypoglycemia, so that you don't have to worry about fall in the sugar levels. Finally, last but not the least, a very important point in iCoffee. Can a normal person consume iCoffee? I am not a diabetic. Can I consume iCoffee creamer or iCoffee black? Absolutely yes. If I have to prevent myself and my family from getting diabetes in future, from today itself, I have to start with iCoffee creamer or iCoffee black, so that my family will not suffer from any kind of diabetes related disorders in future. That is why you have to consume iCoffee. But my dear friends, I would like to tell you one more thing here. For a normal person, it is always suggested to consume just 1 sachet in a day, or you can also make it half sachet twice a day, so that you will not suffer from any kind of other imbalances in the body. It is always suggested to use 1 sachet in a day. That is enough. And so far as the preparation of iCoffee is concerned, you can see the right hand corner of the screen. Directions for use. Always 1 sachet of iCoffee has to be mixed with at least 80 to 100 ml hot water. I'm again repeating this, my dear friends. It is not warm water or cold water. Please do not prepare some cold coffee or coffee shake or whatever, the latte or whatever it is, mocha. No. Try to make iCoffee with 80 to 100 ml hot water, because iCoffee contains polyphenols, and the polyphenols can be best extracted in hot water only. That is the reason why always use 80 to 100 ml of hot water. Don't use any other kind of water. I hope these points are clear, my dear friends. Well, going ahead.